Cześć! Are you interested in creating your own educational materials for learning or teaching languages? Do you have any bilingual books you can recommend? While we have quite a selection of bilingual books at my house, I like creating my own educational materials. So here is one idea I would like to share. When my daughter was younger, I bought this book called First 100 Words in a second-hand store, so it was really cheap. Then I typed in my translation for the English vocabulary that was already there. I printed it all out, cut out and taped underneath English words. Tata, mama, chłopiec, dziewczynka, dziecko, pies, kot, babcia, dziadzio, ciapy, sukienka, kurtka, czapka. At first, we would do simple listening activities when I would ask my daughter to point to something I was looking for. For example, where is an apple? I would say, gdzie jest jabłko? Can you show me an orange? Czy możesz mi pokazać pomarańcze? Where is a banana hiding? Gdzie się schował banan? Fast forward a few years, I was just getting the book ready to record a video when my daughter picked it up and started reading. I was super happy. Anyhow, this is an idea that can work for a combination of languages. If you have a Polish book, you can add English vocabulary. I think it could be a cool project to do with your child or student. This can work for a younger learner, but also an adult, depending on everyone's learning styles. Thank you for watching, and please let me know in the comments if you created any bilingual materials. Dzięki i do usłyszenia. Pa!